There we go. Jordan 1 SB NYC to Paris. You already know what it is, man. It's AT and I'm back here with another quick tutorial, custom, how to do it yourself, whatever you want to call it, video. And we got the Jordan 1 SBs in hand, man. So I'm about to show you how I style my NYC to Paris's. I have a slight idea of what I'm doing. Y'all should know by now, like, they gotta be crazy and they gotta be funky. Y'all feel me? And if you're new to the video, don't be afraid to smash that red button below this video. You're gonna be part of the family now, right? Come on now, sheesh. But yeah, man, let's stop wasting time. Let's get right to it. These shoes are fire. This was the second shoe. You know, we got the triangles, boom, bow. We got the pink on top. We got the squares. I don't even know what I was doing on the squares. Like I said, I just did some random things on these shoes, I'm not gonna lie. But they came out fly in my opinion. So let me know in the comments what shoe y'all like better. And shout out Sneaker Defender for sponsoring this video. Get your Sneaker Defender shields and put them inside your shoes. I know y'all don't want to be walking around with no creased up kicks, cause I don't. Let me open this thing. Okay, there we go. Boom. Keep them looking fly and keep them looking new. I'm gonna tell you how easy this really is, alright? It says right for this one, left for this one. Boom. Shoe, insert, put it inside. Look, y'all, it don't crease. Damn. But guess what? I got a surprise for y'all. Use your code AT10 and get you 10% off your entire order. Let me tell you why I recommend this though. Because you get to keep your kicks clean and I get paid. So go ahead and do y'all thing. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. If you enjoyed what you saw, go ahead and smash that red button below the video and join the family. Y'all have a blessed day and peace out.